U.S. sailors prepare for fresh legal challenge over Fukushima radiation. $1 billion lawsuit accuses Tepco of failing to avoid the accident and of lying about radiation levels that have caused health problems to themselves and their families stationed in Japan. The first time it occurred to James Jackson that there could be lasting damage from his U.S. Navy service during Japan's tsunami and nuclear disaster came when his eldest son, Darius, was diagnosed with leukemia. Darius, now 15, spent a month in hospital in early 2013 soon after his diagnosis. "I thought I was going to have to bury him," Jackson recalled. The teenager who aspired to play college basketball now has a catheter in his chest and is too frail to run the length of the court. Jackson, a Navy information technologist, was stationed with his family at Yokosuka, Japan, when an earthquake and tsunami knocked out the cooling systems at the Fukushima nuclear plant in March 2011, causing a triple meltdown. He acknowledges he can't know for sure why Darius got leukemia, but Jackson remains convinced there is a connection to the radiation escape from the Fukushima disaster, and he blames the Japanese electric company Tepco. On 25 August, a district court judge in San Diego will decide whether the Jacksons and around 110 other U.S. Navy sailors and Marines can proceed with a $1 billion lawsuit that accuses Tepco of failing to avoid the accident and of lying about the levels of radiation from the stricken reactors, putting U.S. personnel at risk. "I don't think the Navy or the United States government would have let us stay there in the region. They would have gotten us out of there probably within the first 48 or 72 hours if they knew then what they know now," Jackson said. "The issue is that we have this large company, this large enterprise, feeding the Japanese government and the rest of the world bad information. They could have come to the forefront and said, 'Hey, we need help,' instead of trying to put a blanket over it."
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingming.webs.com.